Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick, 2-minute stories. Vaccines. They're like tiny superheroes for your body, ready to protect you from harmful invaders. But how do they actually work? When you get a vaccine, it's like giving your body a practice round against a germ, like a virus or bacteria. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive parts of that germ, so they can't make you sick. Instead, they train your immune system to recognize and fight it. Once the vaccine enters your body, your immune system gets to work. Special cells called white blood cells rush in and study the vaccine like detectives at a crime scene. They learn everything about the invader without the risk of getting sick. Next, your body produces antibodies, which are like the super soldiers of your immune system. They remember the invader and stand guard, ready to attack if the real germ ever tries to enter your body. Vaccines don't stop there. They also create memory cells. These cells act like the body's security cameras, always on the lookout for that germ. If it shows up again, your immune system responds quickly to destroy it before it can cause harm. Thanks to vaccines, diseases that were once common, like measles or polio, are now rare. Vaccines are safe, effective, and help protect not just you, but everyone around you by stopping the spread of disease. So next time you roll up your sleeve for a shot, remember, you're powering up your body's defense system, making sure those superhero cells are ready to keep you safe. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand science, and let us know in the comments which topics you'd like to learn more about.